Hello everyone. So today we are going to see that how we can raise the ticket from the help desk. So when we visit the help desk link, we can either access the token help desk or the yellow or the other products, which includes Panther, Tiger or Flight Map. Now once we click on token help desk, if I'm having issue related to token, I want to raise the ticket for the same, then I need to click on token help desk. Below on the right hand side you get a chat option. You can click on that and initiate a chat for the same. Once you initiate the chat, it will ask for various options, that if you would like to talk to sales or support, and if support, it will again give you some questions in the form of options, so wherein you can choose to raise a ticket. Once you click on raise a ticket, there will be a form displayed wherein you need to fill all the information, your name, your email ID, your subject. On the basis of subject, you need to add the product type of which you are having the issue. Next, if you want to add any description, remember the description should be very clear so that it is very clear for the team to understand it. Next, we have the issue type. From the drop down, you can select any of the product for which you are having the issue, and you can set the priority as well if the issue is very urgent or to be solved. Next, you will be provided with an ticket number. This ticket number you have to keep for reference, because next time when you visit the chat box of ours, then you can share this ticket ID in the bot and they'll give you the status of the ticket ID. Now I'll show you then how you can check the status of the ticket. So we would again click on the chat box, initiate a conversation, and now once we get the various options, we need to click on the option check ticket status. Here we click on support. Next we have the option to check ticket status. You need to share the ticket ID for reference. Once you share the ticket ID for reference, the respective status for the ticket will be shown. This is all for how you can raise the ticket from any of the help desk. Next, if you have any of the confusion regarding the material or various functions that we have on the platform, then you can check it over the various help desks that we have for various products. It includes Yellow, Tiger, Token and all of the other products as well. And the process for raising ticket is the same. Thank you.